Oh my gosh, are you guys kidding me on this day? Look at this. Yeah, pure bluebird. Love it. Finally, we've had some storms rolling through the last few weeks. Or maybe even a month. I don't know. It's been a while since we've had that kind of a sky. But stick around. This is going to be fun, you guys. I wish you guys could smell this too. Oh my gosh. We need smell-o-vision and bug spray. But we're going down into a ravine today that overlooks. It's kind of like an ecological reserve, so it's actually pretty cool, but it's just epic scenery. And now that I got the better drone, I want to go fly it around in there, but it's quite the scenic ride there, so I think you guys are going to want to stick around to the end. I'll throw up some cool shots with the drone there, but right on, let's get on it. Of course, we got the old beast. I mean, I guess it's a 1993, but really it's a 2025. Because they're exactly the same nowadays. I mean, they haven't changed in what, 100 years? So I do got my little saw. Hopefully we don't hit any big windfalls, because it's quite the gnarly trail to get over there. I mean, it's just lots of tight trees and stuff. It's not too early, but it's fairly early. I think it's about, what is it? It's, oops. I think it's about 8:30, 9, something like that. But trying to get earlier starts. I'm really starting to learn more about the photography and stuff, and it's really critical to get the good lighting like it is right now. You know, long shadows like that means the sun's still pretty low, so the way it always works out is, over the past years, is I always seem to do most of my riding around lunchtime, which is actually the worst time to film. With the sun up above you, you just got terrible lighting, but this might be a muddy ride in there, actually. They've had machinery in here. It's been a few years, maybe not too much. They've done some road deactivation or water, directing the water down. Crazy. It's been a few years since I've been in here. I bet the mosquitoes are going to be real today. They keep those full for the cattle. There's a creek running over here, so they just have a line that goes way up and then it comes down. It's probably hiding in there somewhere and keeps it full all the time. Makes for cool pictures like this. So yeah, here's the bad news. This road used to be absolutely epic, but like beautiful road. That puts an end to that beautiful area, that's for sure. I mean, you couldn't get through that on a trials bike. Like, it's crazy over there. I guess I'll go have a little walk, you never know, but that's absolutely, that's a bummer is what that is. Wow. I didn't see that coming, to be honest. I mean, I couldn't see any of the logging from my house. Holy smokies. Yeah, they don't. You're not getting a dual sport through that, that's for sure. Wow, I'm quite shocked. So I've been following this, oh, beautiful trees growing up. Well, they look dead, but through the rock. There's a major cliff here to my right, so it's kind of cool. I've been following this road that's brand new to me. Apparently they put it in recently, for I don't know whatever reason. I can only assume that they're going to do some major logging if they haven't done it already over here. I mean, no, why would they? You can't get a logging truck through this kind of stuff. Like, it's pretty gnarly back there, but this is actually looking up. Sort of where I wanted to get to from the road I showed you guys over there. Just a half a kilometer over there going down, it's deactivated, but oh, this is really looking up. I'm starting to see it open up over here. Oh wow, you guys, this is exciting for me. It's apparently an old logging road that's always been here. I guess they just kind of cleaned it up or something. Oh, come on. If we can get over to that ridge that you can, no, you probably can't see it, but it's a ridge and it overlooks the whole valley. Okay, let me put some mileage on here and see where we end up. A few shots along the way here. This road is turning out to be unbelievable, actually. Beautiful little cliff right beside me. That's picture worthy, actually. You guys are probably noticing the new knuckle tattoos I finally got. I've been wanting to get Born to Ride. It's not, I just did it yesterday actually, so it's not healed up. And the purple has to come out of the center, but they'll be faded. It's kind of cool. Born to and then Ride. It's kind of cool. Fits me. And why not? I'm a little close here, darn. Hoping to get the whole bike in there. Almost. Cool. All right. So far we're headed the right direction. Where I want to be is actually just on the other side of this cliff, not, according to my GPS, not too far from where I want to be. That's the way life works, eh, you guys? They take one of your favorite roads, and I mean, it was legitimately one of my favorite roads. It was so zigzaggy and windy and little jumps and hills, but probably can get down here and then go up the way things are looking here. We'll keep going and see what we can find. Hopefully we get the view I was thinking of. Okay, we continue. You guys, the road is right parallel. Oh, this is way too funny. So I can probably sneak down onto it here in a minute, I hope. But the road I was hoping to get onto, that's it right there. Right below me. And I think we're gonna meet up with it here any second. I could literally just hop down there right between the trees here. Or just turn onto it right now. Absolutely wicked, wicked. Oh my god. Too funny. So this looks a little ambitious for my handsaw, but I think I can just duck under it. I just hate ripping jackets on these razor sharp ones. Yeah. Actually probably could cut part of it and then break it down. We should be able to get around it. So I just pushed under that tree. We're actually almost where I want to get to. There's a little lake there, very sneaky little lake. Just hold on, it's looking a little, oh no, gosh, I haven't been here so long, but I see it on my GPS, the little lake. There is my lake I was telling you guys about. That's just more of a pond, but now there is actually a trail. Well, it's not going to be a trail now. We've had so much rain. But there is a little trail that goes around the back side of it here somehow. Oh gosh, you guys are going to be in for a treat. That's what we just came down, all the way down through. Yeah, not much of a trail left. I think the quad guys made it, and they used to come camping in here. Definitely struggling with where it is. Gosh, so nice in here. I want to get around the backside of this lake because you can get some really good pictures. Oh, here's part of it. You can actually see this old trail. There's a little fire pit over here somewhere. These guys would come do some camping. So the place I want to fly my drone is behind me there. We got to ride out on the ridge just a little ways. It's not very far as I recall, but oh, big rock. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Whew, made it. Look at that. We're almost to where I want to be, but nothing wrong with that. Definitely thick in here. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, here's some quad track. I'm trying to get to the edge of the cliff over here, which is not that far. I can literally see it through the trees. I was here years ago with one of my buddies. We discovered it. Oops, big rock. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Plastic. More plastic. More plastic. Guys had pot plants here years ago. You can see all the holes. There's pot plant, like the pots for the plants. Okay, let me see if I can make my way over here. Give me a minute here. Oh, this is epic, you guys. This is epic. This is an old animal trail, I believe. But you guys are about to be rewarded. Oh, gosh. Let me trying to pick my route here. It's not too bad getting around when the trees are sparse like this, but we're coming to the edge of a bit of a lookout, I guess you could call it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good drone footage. Just you watch. Holy cow. Well, that was fun. Those, I would imagine if the drone shots turned out, they look pretty good on the little screen there. So I hope you guys enjoy some of this stuff. I'm just really just trying to learn how to use the drone better and be smooth with it and get, you know, be smooth and get really nice shots or whatever. Like it's not all that easy, to be honest, but the newer ones are definitely smoother. You can move the, you know, the little controls easy and it makes it nice. But yeah, oh my gosh, I got so many, like I can get up to those lookouts, like so many vantage points. It'll make all this stuff just look unbelievable. And then I got some other stuff planned I'm hoping to do in July. You guys are gonna not want to miss that because it's like serious mountains, like out by the Rockies. So there's like serious elevation, but there's snow there right now, so we can't quite go. Another week or two and we should be good. So let me know what you guys have been up to. Drop some comments and this thing and that and all those things, whatever. It's all good. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next one. Born to ride. I am. Yeehaw. Gotta make my way out of here. I'm way deep in here.